Hello guys, today we're gonna check the capacity of the load for each program in the Whirlpool dryer FFT. So the first program, it's an Eco, and there we have a maximum capacity of this device, so 9 kilograms. The next one, there we have the cotton, and there we have also 9 kilograms of max load. In the mixed, we have a 4 kilo. In the bed linen, we have a 9 kilo. For the duvets, we have a maximum 3 kilo, and the maximum 3 kilo is for duvets and the shirts. The next one, the speed 30 minutes. The maximum capacity for this program is a half kilogram. The sports is a 4 kilograms. The specials, there we have for the jeans 3 kilograms. The towels, it's a max 9 kilo, and the sport we have a 3 kilograms. Oh, sorry. In the wool we have the maximum capacity of 1 kilogram, the delicates 2 kilograms, and the synthetics 4 kilograms. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.